Howdy friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. Continuing on this deck expansion project that we started last summer. And now we're going to be working on the preparations for a screen room going in here, and we're starting with the soffit ceiling. So the guys have started doing some work inside. Let's give you a tour of where that stands. So inside the plastic tent the guys have set up just to kind of keep it warm, that little propane heater going in here just to kind of take the chill off with snow on the ground outside. You can see we started stripping out the ceiling. And this product wants to have supports 12 inches on center to support the beadboard correctly. So the guys have that, and the homeowner really wanted it to run front and back to the house. So we're going to strip this out, get it all set up. We've got our 2x4s mounted on the walls. These are going to be receiving some of the 𝗗𝘂𝘀𝘀 Versatex PVC trim boards, because what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to build a box around the gutter area and around this front beam and trim that out in the white 𝗗𝘂𝘀𝘀. And we're going to wind up with a decorative beam on that end. We're also going to be putting a decorative beam on this end, so it's going to get wrapped, all look the same. It's going to give something for us to put the crown molding tool, the bed molding to, once the ceiling's up. And then just to tie it all together, we're going to continue that trim board around the back of the house. So it's going to be that beautiful boxed in look that everybody wants when they do a ceiling soffit underneath the deck. So we're doing some prep work here. We got an electrical box in for a ceiling fan, that'll come later. We've got some wiring for motion lights out back so they can have some light on the other half of this patio in the backyard. There's another 10 or 12 feet beyond this plastic wall that you can't see right now. But so they'll have some lighting for the patio out there, in addition to the ceiling fan. And all in all, the prep work coming together very nicely. We took some of the siding down off of this so we can get the trim boards up, and then we'll work that siding back into there. And at some point down the road, in a future portion of this project, we talked about the screen room going in here. We'll have some half walls, we'll have some screening going in. And then at some point we may decide to come back. The homeowner may ask us to remove the siding that's here and put some sort of a shiplap or a beadboard or another product on the wall to kind of incorporate, bring everything down together and tie it all in. So this is very much the rough stage of things as we're getting fixed or ready to go. You can see the bottom of the rain escape system. That's behaving exactly the way we want it to, funneling all the water down and into the gutter. And so we'll finish boxing that in. And on the outside of this, I'll take you back over there. What we're going to do is we will put up a vinyl soffit just like you'd find on the edge of your house. So we'll get the last stripping up, we're gonna get the vinyl soffit up, and then if there's ever a problem with the rain gutter, if debris gets down through the deck or into that gutter, then what we can do is we can actually hit the soffit apart, reach our hand over, be able to clean the gutter out, do whatever we need to do from this side. Gives us access without having to take down that beautiful beadboard ceiling. And then we've got our skirt board that runs around, and it's gonna hide the edges. The distance, the height is set such that we took that into account when we were putting the deck on, so we're gonna have plenty to hide the edges of the soffit material. So that's what's going on here, and we're gonna let the guys keep working. Kind of fun tracing through the snow to the backyard, but getting things done, making things happen. If we can help solve a problem for you, give our team a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction Renovation and extension 2 for new projects. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're finished with it, you're proud to say it's not just done, it was coat built. We'll catch you guys on another video. Bye for now.